This here is my Canon R5C rig. It can shoot handheld, on a tripod, on a monopod. It can even shoot skydiving, although I haven't tested that one out just yet. Let me show you how to build it so you can shoot chaos too.
What? It's Pixel Pals. Tell your moms, kids, Pixel Pals. What?
Okay, so I've been using the R5C quite a lot, and it's a powerful camera. But out of the box, it's about as ergonomic as a brick. So I built this rig, one that works for travel, event shooting, sports, whatever I need to do. And it doesn't require a $10,000 cart to push it around in. Do you need this much gear to film a sandwich? No. Will I use it? Absolutely. So today I'm going to show you the parts that I used, how it all comes together, and why it's not just pretty, which I think it is, but it's practical. Okay, so first up is the structure of it. It's all based around the cage, and I use a full cage here. I use Small Rig's Black Mamba cage, which sounds intimidating, but it's mostly just aluminum and marketing combined. The cage is what allows me to attach a monitor on it, to attach the handles, to attach the clamps, everything else to make me really feel like I know what I'm doing. But all in all, it just gives so much more versatility to an already great camera. Underneath on the bottom, you got the Small Rig base plate with the two little holes there for carbon fiber rods. Because carbon fiber is what Vin Diesel told me makes my car go faster, so why not put it on my camera? Family, family, family. I once shot for 90 minutes straight using this rig. Has my back recovered? No, but emotionally I was soaring. On the back here we got this V-mount battery plate, which allows me to power pretty much everything that I put onto this. I can use D-tap power, I can use 8-volt power, on this side's 12-volt. So I power my camera, I power my monitor, and it's all run off of these batteries. And what I love about these batteries, if I'm gonna spend $150 on a battery, you know, let me have some customization options. Look at this orange. Why is it orange? I don't know, but hey, it looks kind of cool. And you know, it matches my personality. It's bright, it's compact, and constantly overheating. It's pretty much a power station on its own, and I've been shooting for hours with it. These batteries last quite a long time, and I don't have to replace them every, 15 minutes at the normal LPE6 that comes with the Canon you would have to replace it with. Okay, so once it's fully built, this rig can be used pretty much for any type of filming. I've shot handheld documentary footage, I've put it on a monopod and done sports photography, I've put it on a tripod and locked in focus for talking heads. And you know, attaching a Ninja monitor on top here gives me all kinds of recording options, and it's, for what it is, it's pretty lightweight. Most important thing that I like about it is it still allows me to be portable, and it gives me the option of going ahead and mounting this on something or just carrying it around here with the handle. And you know, when you're filming B-roll, it's big enough that people will just give you weird looks in the coffee shop and say, why do you have this big expensive TV video camera? They don't know what they're talking about, but that's okay, we do. So yeah, this is the final rig. It's battle tested, it's field ready, and you know, sometimes it squeaks, but hey, so do I when I walk. Listen, you don't need Hollywood gear all the time to shoot high quality video, just like you don't need a red camera to have red flags. You need a setup for you, something that you could carry and something that works just right for the situation that you're in. After all, you gotta be able to trust it when the audio guy eventually doesn't show up. Start simple, build what you need, and if you can, personalize it. Let me know if you have any other rig builds for any kind of Canon cameras. I use the R5C, I use the R6, R7, RP. Are you still listening? Or maybe just tell me that if I over tightened anything, and you know, that could be bad. Subscribe if you want more gear breakdowns, behind the scenes. This is Roy, Pixel Pal, out.
Pixel Pals roll the scene, every cut's a brand. What? Lights, camera, action, gotta keep it in demand. Rigs run smooth, view from the heights we climb. The opposite of poker, you can't beat the one of a kind.